To download the Phantom Wallet extension for Chrome, start by opening the Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Next, navigate to the Chrome Web Store by typing Chrome Web Store in the address bar and pressing Enter. In the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for Phantom Wallet by typing Phantom Wallet in the search box and selecting the correct result from the search suggestions. Click on the Phantom Wallet result to go to its page in the Chrome Web Store. On this page, you will see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to initiate the download and installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking for your confirmation to add the Phantom Wallet extension to your Chrome browser. Click on the Add Extension button to confirm and proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see a notification that the Phantom Wallet extension has been added to your Chrome browser. You can then access the Phantom Wallet by clicking on the extensions icon in the top right corner of the Chrome browser window and selecting the Phantom Wallet from the list of installed extensions. After opening the Phantom Wallet extension, you will be prompted to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process and start using your Phantom Wallet. It is essential to note that the Phantom Wallet extension is only compatible with the Solana blockchain, so ensure you understand its limitations and features before using it. Always prioritize the security of your digital assets by using strong passwords and keeping your browser and extensions up to date. By following these steps, you can successfully download and install the Phantom Wallet extension for Chrome and start exploring the Solana ecosystem.